Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox and review this Rapoo A100 wireless Bluetooth speaker. Is it really good for music, movies and daily use? Let's find out. This is a box of the speaker. It looks simple and clean. Let's open it now. Inside the box, we get the speaker, a charging cable and a user manual. That's all, very basic and neat. The speaker looks very stylish and it is easy to carry and has a nice matte finish on the top. You can see this and these buttons, volume up and down, and play and pause music, very easy to use. And it also has a USB ports and memory ports. You can connect your memory or your pen drive. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.0, so it connects fast and works smoothly. Let me show you how quickly it connects to my laptop. First, click on the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. It has started. Yeah, I will connect to my laptop. You can see Rapoo A100 connected. Let's play some music. So we have tested the sound that I was played. The sound is loud and clear, bass is okay and vocals are very clear. It's a great for small room and study time or even watching movies and listening songs. So by talking about battery and performance, Rapoo says the battery lasts for 6 to 8 hours. I used it and got around 7 hours of playtime. It charges in about 2 hours. So for daily use, the battery is good. If you want a small, stylish and budget Bluetooth speaker, then this one from Rapoo A100 is a good option. Good sound, good battery, good quality and easy to carry. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Let me know in the comments, would you buy this speaker or not. Bye bye.